Welcome to TAPOSHI Education tutorial. Today our topic is thermometer. Now we understand about thermometer. The instrument used to measure temperature is called a thermometer. In 1593, Galileo Galilei invented a water thermoscope which for the first time measured the variation in temperature. Right? Now we understand the different parts of the thermometer. Here in this diagram, you can easily observe the different part which is mentioned in this diagram. Now we understand one by one parts of this thermometer. First of all, the bulb. Bulb is at one end of the tube. This is the part of that actually touches the object. The bulb contains either mercury or alcohol. Now stem. It is a glass capillary tube through which the mercury or alcohol rises or falls through a liquid column as the object around the bulb warm or cool. Now scale. The scale mark on the stem indicate the temperature of the substances, right? Now different scale are used to measure the temperature. Each division on the scale known as one unit of the scale. Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale are the most commonly used temperature scale. So here in this figure we observe the different types of the scales are used here, and here the lowest point and highest point of measuring temperature is mentioned in this figure. Celsius scales. The unit of the Celsius scale is degree centigrade. On the scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 0 degree centigrade and the boiling point of water is taken as 100 degree centigrade. The temperature between these 2 points is divided into 100 equal parts. This scale was developed by Anders Celsius, right, student? Understand the Fahrenheit scale. The unit of the scale is degree Fahrenheit. On the Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is taken as 32 degree Fahrenheit and the boiling point of water is taken as 212 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature between these 2 points is divided into 180 equal parts. This scale was developed by Daniel Graviel Fahrenheit. Now, Kelvin scale. This scale was developed by Lord Kelvin. It is also known as the absolute scale of temperature. On this scale, the freezing point of water is 273.15 Kelvin and the boiling point of water is 373.15 Kelvin. The temperature between these 2 points is divided into 100 equal parts. The value of 0K is absolute zero. That is the lowest attainable temperature in the scale. Now we understand the temperature conversion of formula. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 degree centigrade plus 32 is used to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. Degree centigrade is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9 is used to convert the Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. Kelvin is equal to 0 degree centigrade to 273 is used to convert Celsius to Kelvin scale. Now different types of thermometer. The 3 commonly used thermometer like a chemical thermometer, digital thermometer and laboratory thermometer, right? About a clinical thermometer. The thermometer used to measure the temperature of human body is called a clinical thermometer. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees centigrade or 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. This value may be vary depending on activity, time of the day, environmental condition. This temperature increases or decreases if the person is ill, right? Now we understand the digital thermometer. It does not contain mercury, hence there is no risk of mercury being released or breakage. The temperature is easier to read in this type than in the conventional thermometers as the temperature is shown as a number on the display, right? Now we understand the laboratory thermometer. The laboratory thermometer are mostly used in laboratories for scientific experiment. A laboratory thermometer can be used to measure the temperature in the range minus 10 degrees centigrade to 110 degrees centigrade, right? I hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you for watching.